In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your App Store payment method quickly and efficiently. Whether you're dealing with a payment issue or setting up a new method, having a verified payment is crucial for seamless experiences with app purchases and subscriptions. So let's dive right in and get this sorted out in just a few minutes. First things first, you'll need to open your App Store app on your device. The App Store icon, a blue circle with lines, should be readily accessible on your home screen. If you can't see it there, just look in your app library or use the search function to find it. Once you've opened the App Store, you're on the right path to managing your payment details. Now you want to focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen, where you will notice your profile icon. This is usually represented by your personalized avatar, or perhaps just a generic silhouette if you haven't uploaded a photo. Tap on this icon to proceed to your account settings. This area is key as it gives you access to several different account management options. When you tap the profile icon, you will be directed to a screen with your account overview. Here you should see your name at the top or the option to view your Apple ID. Tap on your name or Apple ID to delve deeper into your account settings. This step is essential to accessing your payment methods and making sure everything is up to date. Once you've entered your account page, scroll through until you find the Manage Payments option. Tap on it as this is where all the magic happens regarding setting up or modifying your payment methods. Within this section, you will be able to review your current payment methods and choose to add something new if necessary. As you select or add a new payment method, follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to verify it. This might involve entering your billing information or confirming via a text message or email. Make sure you have all the necessary details handy, such as your credit card information or linked bank account details. Double check that what you input matches exactly the information your bank or card issuer has on file. Correct any discrepancies to avoid verification failures. Successfully verifying your payment method ensures that you can continue or start enjoying uninterrupted access to your subscriptions, apps, and any other purchases you want to make through the App Store. Remember, keeping your payment information updated not only smoothens future transactions, but also helps protect your account from unauthorized transactions. And that's all there is to it. A few simple steps to make sure your payment method is verified on the App Store. Thanks for tuning in. Feel free to come back anytime for more tips and guides. Keep enjoying your apps with the assurance that your payments are securely set up and verified.